Take it easy, Mr. I love you.
This is Ken from Thailand. Just gonna run you through my apartment.
I haven't changed a lot. I look less beaten down by life.
Kenny's scared right now.
Alright, I'm packing up, getting ready to head out to Phrae in the morning. I'm leaving a day earlier than normal, and I'm getting up a lot earlier than I usually do. So you know what? Come along with me as I pack, and we can watch an old video of me in 2007 in my first apartment in Bangkok, Thailand. Make sure I don't forget anything. Chocolate for my girlfriend's son? Check. Chicago Cubs hat? Check. American flag? Check. Mask? Check. You may be wondering, why the heck am I packing up an American flag to go to Phrae? Who knows, we might make a side trip to the moon, and I need to represent my country, yo. Is it me, or do I look like I'm on a slant? Today's video is going to be my first apartment ever in Thailand. It's back in 2007 when I was living in Bangkok for a couple months. My family, they wanted to see where the heck I was living, so I shot like a little vlog style type video, 2007 style, pretty similar to what I do now, to be honest, and upload it to YouTube. As I've mentioned probably a few million times, I live in a new apartment. And I am planning on doing an apartment tour, as I keep on saying like a million times. But you know, I don't want to just do an apartment tour. I want to show, you know, because it was partially furnished, so I want to show the cost of sofas and computer desk and all that stuff in Thailand. But I'm still setting things up, so I'm not quite there yet. The thing I find very strange about this video I'm about to show is that I haven't changed a lot. I mean, okay, I'm thinner, I look less beaten down by life, you know, younger and all that stuff, but my vlogging technique in the past 13 years has not evolved too much to speak of, let's say. You know what, I'll chat more after the video, so let's take a walk down memory lane and go back in time 13 years ago.
This is Ken from Thailand. Everyone, family. Yeah. I'm just gonna run you through my apartment. I didn't know I was gonna be doing this, so it's kind of messy. This is my extra bedroom. When I have company, I just had a friend from America come and visit me. There's like windows. You can see a window into the living room. This is my computer area. I'm gonna make this video kind of quick because I gotta upload it to YouTube. Oh, you hear the dogs out there howling. Listen to this. Not nice. Kenny's scared right now. Yeah, it's yeah, it's the kitchen. Wow. This is the bedroom. That's where I sleep. It's a mess right now because I had company, so I couldn't really put things where they belong because there's someone staying in the extra bedroom. A friend of mine from America. So this is my place in Thailand. Take it easy and miss everyone. Love you. Peace.
Well, that's the video. Pretty weird. I even said peace at the end. I mean, less obnoxious than I do now, but I still said peace or something, going around in circles and speaking backwards and all that stuff. In the video, I even talk about my fear of street dogs. I remember when I was staying in Bangkok, I lived deep in a soy. If you're familiar with Bangkok, I lived pretty close to the Mochit BTS, and I was like really deep down a soy, and there were a lot of street dogs. I was pretty freaked out, as you saw in the video. So that hasn't changed too much. Fast forward to 2020. I remember when I first moved to Bangkok, I had like total culture shock. I mean, it was a big, dirty, chaotic city, and I'm pretty much a suburban guy, or even like Chiang Mai is more my speed. It's very similar to where I lived back in the States. I mean, kind of. But especially the area I live in now, there's like, you know, it's really real bikeable and real walkable. It has kind of a suburban feel, but Bangkok was a big, nasty ass city. So I was pretty, I don't mean that in a bad way. I'll say that about, you know, parts of Chicago, New York, London, wherever I've been. I'm not like really into big cities. You know, I probably should do a video on my first couple months of when I came to Thailand for the first time. That'd be a deep dive, because I do have some photos and some short video clips. In the comments down below, let me know if you'd like to see a video of me me talking about my first couple months of moving to Thailand, predominantly in Bangkok. Well, I need to get back to packing, and actually the sun's going down, so I'm gonna lose my natural beautiful light. I probably am getting darker, and I think I might be turning red. It might be my blood pressure, or it might just be the sun going down right now. So let me get back to packing. This is a short one, been wanting to upload it. So that was my first apartment in Thailand in November 2007. Like I said in the comments down below, let me know if you want to see a deep dive of my first couple of months in Thailand back in 2007. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like this video, if you like seeing a younger but very similar version of myself, give it a thumbs up. If you want to contact me, click on the Instagram link down below. I'm pretty good at replying. And as always, no matter who you are or where you are, peace.
Take it easy, Mr. I love you. Peace. Take it easy, Mr. I love you.